Present indefinite tense, part 3 MCQs. Number 21. Does she dash her homework daily? The correct answer is option C. Do. Number 22. The cat dash on the sofa. The correct answer is option B. Sleeps. Number 23. The baby dash when it is hungry. Cries. 24. We dash together on weekends. Eat. Number 25. Dash you like pizza? The correct answer is option A. Do. Number 26. She dash to the office every day. The correct answer is option B. Goes. 27. He dashed to the radio in the morning. Listens. Number 28. You dash your work on time. The correct answer is option A. Finish. Number 29. They dash movies on weekend. Watch. 30. She dash very fast. The correct answer is option B. Types. 31. The teacher dash us English. The correct answer is option B. Teaches. Number 32. I dash tea, not coffee. Prefer. 33. Do you dash football? Play. 34. He dash every Sunday. Swims. 35. We dash with friends at night. Talk. 36. My sister dash to music. Listens. 37. Dash he go to school. Does. 38. I dash to sleep early. Go. 39. They dash books from the library. Borrow. 40. The moon dash at night. Shines. 41. He dash his room every day. Cleans. 42. Does your mother dash you? Help. 43. She never dash meat. Eats. 44. They often dash their homework together. Do. 45. He always dash his shoes. Polishes. 46. The bell dash at 10 a.m. Rings. 47. I dash early in the morning. Get up. 48. Dash she sing well? Does. 49. You dash a beautiful smile. Have. Number 50. The dog dash at strangers. The correct answer is option B, barks. Write your answer in the comment section and like, share, subscribe.